So there's 2 eggs today. That's enough for me. Here's my pomegranates. I don't know how to tell when they're done. Okay, so the chickens were getting my mulberries, so I put this fence around, and it seems to, for the most part, to be keeping them out. So my mulberries are recovering because they were all missing because I guess the chickens were eating them. But I see a lot of new ones, so hopefully I'll start to get berries again. There's actually 2 of them down there. So I have, it looks like I have some almonds that are ready. If you've never done this, pick the almond just like that and then eating it. That's a beautiful experience. Growing, picking, and eating your almonds straight up the tree like that. It's mind-blowing. So different than what most people know. Look at this. I leave this open one day and the chickens just devastate this. Get out of here, you stupid chickens! Get out! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Look at that. They ate all that. Stupid chickens. There's probably something I could eat out of that. So this is my haul for today. I got 2 eggs, which I broke one, but I'm gonna still try and eat it because that's all I got. 2 eggs for today. Bunch of tomatoes, all different kinds, 2 squash, mostly chicken eaten onion, 3 squash blossoms, a bunch of chili peppers, and 3 almonds. So, and a handful of mulberries. So I'll eat most of this today, at least one of the squashes and the onion.